What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we got this 2017 Honda Civic. If you're having issues with heat, what I want you to do with this Civic is check your antifreeze. Your antifreeze should be up to level. Make sure the car is nice and cold, okay? It cannot be below this level. There's a minimum and maximum level here, so pretty much just halfway. And I want you to run the car for 5 to 10 minutes and give a good 10 minutes. So when the temperature gauge is nice and hot inside, see those two pipes right there? Both of these pipes, this pipe and this pipe, they both should be equally hot, okay? And if one is cold, another one is hot, one is mild cold and mild hot, that's an issue with the heater core. And you also have a thermostat, okay? A few things you could do is check your antifreeze level, let the car run, and then touch those two pipes. Both should be hot. If one is hot, you have an issue, okay? And thermostat is one thing that you won't have any heat at all, and that could be a different type of issue. And plus, your temperature gauge might stay below minimum. But this car had a problem with blendo motor, and so if you guys having heat or AC, not just heat, blendo motor here, I'm gonna show you guys. This one's I changed it already and it's in working order. I wish I could have recorded it. And what we're gonna do is I just want to show you a working blendo motor. So let's talk about if you're not having let's say summertime and you're not having no AC, the blender motor could have got stuck on the heat side since you had it on heat in winter. Now the door needs to open up and close the heat and gives you AC, okay? That could be the issue. So let's take a look. We're gonna put the key on. You don't even have to run the engine. Make sure the blow motor is on, and I'm gonna be turning this knob, okay? This is the heat. If you have a dual heat system, then you have a blendo motor on each side, okay? So this is single, or you got one knob. And we're gonna go down here, okay? Do you see this little guy right here? It's very simple to change this guy, and you do need to pay attention a bit, and you need to remove this little bracket here, everything. There's a couple of bolts on it, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the knob. You see it moving? It's changing direction. So if yours is that, all I'm doing is I'm turning the temperature knob to AC side, hot and cold, and it's changing. So I'm gonna go step by step. Little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit. Okay. And there you go. Guys, see the motor. That's how simple it is to diagnose something like this on the car. So if your motor is not moving, that means it's stuck on the side that you had it last and it turned off. So pretty much I was just dialing this indicator here. And got a working heat. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully I'll help you guys out, and if you guys have more questions, and just ask me and send me a text. Peace out and bye bye. So pretty much that was a blender motor.